Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur photos on Canva. So the first step is to add your photo to your canvas. Then from here, ensure the image has been selected, then choose the option Edit Image. Under Edit Image, you should see Effects, and in your Effects settings, select Blur. Under Blur, you should see the option Whole Image. So choose that, then you can now use the slider to increase or decrease the intensity of how you want the blur to be. Another way you can blur your image is by blurring a specific part or blurring the background. Now this is normally a Canva Pro option, but I found a shorter way and easier way of doing this. So again, select the image, click on Edit Image, then select Blur. And instead of choosing whole image, you would select brush, and then you can choose the blur brush size as well as how intense you want it to be. So then once you've selected both options, now use this brush and just go over the background of the image. And then when you're done, just click on an empty space and you should see the blur has been applied automatically. So you can do this in a finer way because of the brush. You can have the ability to change the brush size. And so now you can easily blur the background of your image, all without having to get Canva Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.